So today I'm taking on the ultimate coordination challenge, assembling and eating a hot dog without using my own hands. Samaruni will be acting as my arms, but she won't be able to see a thing. It's all up to me to guide her step by step. What could possibly go wrong? Everything.
You don't trust me.
I trust you with my life.
So then come in. I got you, buddy. I got you.
But you can't. No, but she can't see that. She can't see that.
I can't. I'm not looking. I'm looking straight into your
but you can't reach. You're not putting on your something.
Wait, it don't start yet.
Oh, it don't start.
We move your hand them now.
Where I must put them, so?
Back a few.
All right.
Because I'm your hands.
All right.
So speak. So tell the people
put
what
on
you're
your
doing.
glove.
No, today you're speaking. You are me, you know. Remember, I am your hands. So go on now. So today,
Today I'm going to make Nephril.
No, you are Nephril.
You don't just say I am you. You just say that.
I am your hands. So you are making the hot dog. So you have to speak in the first person.
Okay.
Okay.
All right. So I need to put on my gloves. Please put on my gloves. Here. It's not always easy. Then you know, can't see my arm them. When you really take the view of them videos. Oi, it's today.
Shut up your mouth. Oops, sorry.
You just tell me I must talk. I know you say I must shut up.
Oops.
Well, this glove's not too.
Kyle, I heard that. It's okay. It's okay.
Hold on, you put it on wrong, do you? Your thumbs.
I know, but.
Your thumbs up. All right. No, yeah. My hands. You're right. Boy, this glove not easy to put on at all. So I'm trying my best, people. It's just not easy to put on. And then why them put this thing? Ah! Okay. What do you doing with that woman? All right, I have to grab the utensils now. But you're kind of far. Yeah. All right, so let me pull it a little bit closer. Yeah, pull it a little bit closer. Yeah, that's now it's easy for me, you know? So I've got to open this bread here, and then, yeah, and then I'm going to put, it's like a fish stick almost in there. Hold on, I can put in one first. It look like it's just one alone can hold there. All right, so I need to put in what you call them condiments, which is over, kind of far from me again. Yeah. All right, let me start with the ketchup. All right, I can put on that first. I'm doing this really nice, tell the truth. I have to shake up this thing. All right. And I don't want to put too much ketchup, so let me put a little bit though. It's not coming out. All right, just a little bit, but it's not coming. All right, okay, I think I put a little bit too much, but that's okay. I kind of don't want anything else on it still. It's just the ketchup alone I want. But why am I going for that if it's just the ketchup alone I want? All right, just a little toops. So, okay, let's look at toops. Most of it is on my finger and not on the bread. What is this fella now? This fella is what? What is this? Hot dog relish. Okay. My hand never so good a while ago because most of the next thing miss. I don't want to mess up my shirt. I need to go a little bit more. Yeah, all right, that's good. That's beautiful. Okay, let me taste this now and see what this tastes like.
You just ruined the illusion. Come back.
No. What's along? The next thing is the toughest fish stick we ever attempt to eat.
Come on, man, you have to eat. And you have to drink something because you're thirsty. Move your hand.
No, move my hand. You're messing up my clothes, though.
Yes,
No, sir, this can't bite.
No, please.
No, that was something to smile about. Watch out. Almost.
Wait. Come, wait, let me help you.
Okay. Ay, gosh. Why do I love you so much?
How do you give me a meal to give a man with no napkin?
No, but I put my glasses.
Oh, no.
Oh, no.
Oh, dear. Oh, my. What a mess.
All right, coming up, we're spinning into sweetness with some cotton candy
But you
treats
didn't
from
even
Candy's
eat it.
Delight.
You know how hard I worked on this?
Well, I don't know if it.